to Ohio by way of Chicago and Pittsburgh.
Okay. It's a lot.
Yep, and then I flew back on Saturday straight from Pittsburgh, but it's just, I'm a pretzel.
Alright, let's go ahead and check your tailbone. So
Okay,
keeping the
yeah.
leg straight, go ahead and put your left leg as high as you can. Good, and right. Good. Left didn't go nearly as high.
No,
Alright, go ahead and try it again left. Let me go on the other side actually.
okay.
Alright, left. Much higher. Good
Yeah,
job,
I can
right?
feel that, yeah.
Awesome. Much closer to even. Relax.
Oh, yeah.
Went before I even did it.
It did.
Alright, switch. Good. Alright, let's have your face up.
Mm-hmm.
So relaxed. Like butter. Then that one over there.
Predictable.
Consistent, that's for sure.
Yes.
Appointments, do the consult exam, take all the x-rays, go over it, go over my recommendations of care,
Okay.
and get that first treatment. We'll do it at no cost, and
Okay.
I'll go over if he has insurance, if he doesn't, just all the stuff.
Gotcha.
Fantastic, just 5 minutes on the plates.
All right, thank you. That felt so good.